So today I'm going to be teaching you how to 3D model a calculus graph. So here I'm using Desmos, the online graphing calculator. And I have these two simple functions that have made this graph right here. So what you want to do is you want to go up here to this wrench right here, and you want to turn off everything. So the grid, axis numbers, axes, all of that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hit this little share button right here. When it opens up, you're going to export the image. And instead of downloading the PNG, you're going to hit download SVG. So that's going to be going down here. Now you're going to want to open up Fusion 360. So from here, you want to go to this canvas icon right here, click Insert, Insert SVG, Insert from my computer, Desmos Graph 5, choose a plane to put it on, and it will be here. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to move it sort of close up here. It doesn't really matter that much. And we're going to click OK right here. So this is to move, this is to enlarge, shrink, and this is to move along the X and Y axis of the plane. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And you're going to notice that it's green. So when it's green, it doesn't mean I can move it or anything. So what you want to do is you want to select all of this, hit constraints, fix and unfix. So this is going to unfix this graph. And you'll notice that it's blue now. I'm going to click escape because it's still trying to constrain or unconstrain an object. So you'll notice that my cursor is missing the lock now. I'm going to delete this box around this graph because that comes with it no matter what I do to export it. Select all of this and we're going to move it by clicking modify, move. And you want to use point to point. So you want to scroll in here, click this point to the origin, and I'm happy with that, so I'm going to click OK. Now, how we're going to get the 3D object is obviously I clicked Finish Sketch on the previous page, and I'm going to click Revolve. So it's already highlighted this body because it's the only one in this entire drawing that I have. I'm going to click it, and it's asking for which axis I want. So I'm going to click this one, which I believe was the Z axis from earlier. And now it's a 360-degree view. If you wanted to, you can change this to any other degree form that you would like. Add an extra 0. So that you can have a slice of it. But for this example, we're just going to keep it as 360 degrees. All right. Still did that extra 0. My bad. All right. Click OK. And now what we're going to do is we're going to save this. I'm just going to put it as this. Save. Go to File and click Export. What you want to do is you want to click this guy down. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom to an STL, which is how the printers read 3D print files. So you're going to click that and you're going to click Export. And this may take a while because Fusion 360 uses a cloud service. Once it's done, it'll be in your download folder inside of your computer. You can take that, transfer it to a slicer or a thumb drive, and give it to someone who has a slicer, and you'll be able to 3D print your object. Hope this helps. Thanks.